Hey guys, I'm Deanna, and today I want to show you my pretty pink look. Check it out! I'm starting with the primer because I want my makeup to look as smooth and flawless as possible. Check out this Lancome foundation. I like to apply it to my cheeks because that's where I need the most coverage, and then I just blend it outwards. This is the MAC Longwear Concealer. It's full coverage, and it also helps to let it dry down just a bit before you start blending it out. Let's set everything in place with Laura Mercier. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Deanna Did That. Now, when it comes to setting your makeup, I like to set the places that get kind of oily, like your T-zone, and also my under eyes. I'm using a bronzer right now, and then later on we're gonna use some spray to get rid of that powdery look. I definitely wanna incorporate some blush. It just gives the look some life. My look already has a lot of pink and orange in it, so I thought this highlighter from Fenty was perfect. I like to put it on my cheekbones. This is just a simple gold highlighter from Becca. It's called Topaz, and I like to put it on my nose area because I want to look like I'm glowing. I'm filling in my brows with Anastasia's Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown. I've tried it like black before, and I definitely look crazy, so try not to go too dark. I'm using the shade Candied Peach from my Too Faced palette, and I do want to mention that Too Faced makes quite a few products that actually smell really good, like this palette smells like peaches. And if you don't follow anything, just make sure you set your makeup at the end. It'll make it stay in place, and it'll make sure you don't look cakey. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are having a great weekend and staying safe. And don't forget, hit that notification bell to stay updated for whenever I post new content. Bye.